Unfortunately, all the money on this card has been stolen. How did this happen? What was that method used by thieves? How to protect yourself, your family and friends? It's all inside our video, and it is important to share this video with your friends and everyone you know, with your father, mother, brothers and sisters, and all the people you know who are having a hard time using this card or are still using it recently. This phishing scam is spreading fast. What happened during our conversation with the bank and the telecommunications company? Let's see how this happened, and how to protect yourself. Welcome back, friends. I would like to show you how you can protect your money from being never returned back. So, what happened? Some friends received this SMS: "We're making some exciting changes to improve your debit card security feature. You are required to verify your debit card information with us to activate these features. Your card will be deactivated within 72 hours if no response is received, and you have to visit this link and log in to check your debit card now." So, my friend started to get worrying about something wrong. Quickly and without any hesitation, he go to the link and start filling his personal data. It was a fake link to a page designed like the real bank page, and he begins to fill in his information such as name, date of birth, contact number, the 14 number on the card and the 3 secret numbers or CCV numbers behind it. All these details. They told him that a verification code will be sent to him, and he has to type it to activate his card. And they had another fake reason to start withdrawing currency from his card, till they withdraw all of his money. They used something called social engineering, by making their victim worry either by calling them or sending SMS, as the bank customer service. They can let their victim give them personal information easy, so they can get access to the victim's money and take them all. Social engineering relies on human error, rather than vulnerabilities in software and operating systems. Mistakes made by legitimate users are much less predictable, making them harder to identify and thwart than a malware-based intrusion. Social engineering attacks come in many different forms and can be performed anywhere where human interaction is involved. The following are the 5 most common forms of digital social engineering assaults: baiting, scareware, pretexting, phishing, and spear phishing. Social engineers manipulate human feelings, such as curiosity or fear, to carry out schemes and draw victims into their traps. Therefore, be wary whenever you feel alarmed by an email, attracted to an offer displayed on a website, or when you come across stray digital media lying about. Being alert can help you protect yourself against most social engineering attacks taking place in the digital realm. How to protect yourself. Don't open emails and attachments from suspicious sources. Use multi-factor authentication. Be wary of tempting offers. Keep your anti-malware software updated.